Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today the chicken henhouse. LEGO City set number 60344, 101 pieces for $10 or euros. And this one, I think, it's a small set of course, but it's a really cool one. We get this small ATV with this woman with there and a chicken and a small chicken house, and the piece price value 100 pieces for $10 or euros. It's really cool. It's the smallest box packed sets for this farm wave for summer 2022. There's one poly bag that's smaller, but it's not box packed because it's a poly bag. And take a look at the back of the box. And now I think there's unbox and build it. Have fun.